Okay, here we have the TLM virtual world. Just creating the server so that all the players can connect. The other two students, it's Conor Porteous that's controlling the avatar, the main avatar that will interact with everything in the virtual world, and the other two students, Sean Grierson and Christopher Pagan, are just joining the session now. That's them there. So we're just going to give you a guided tour of the TLM virtual world. This is just us standing outside the software development company at the moment. Just making sure that everyone's ready to move around. So we're just heading over to the Dumfries and Galloway Asian Food Company shop, which is part of Sean's honours project. We didn't aim to have a Chinatown, a full Chinatown, but it was causing runtime issues. It was taking far too long to load in, so we took them out. So here's one of the vending machines, and as you can see, it's dispatched some cans. When you press E on the keyboard, it dispatches some cans from the vending machine. The shop is obviously not quite ready. It's opening soon. Just having a little look around the shop. So we'll walk out of the shop now and we'll head over to the TLM software development company, a company that has 3 floors, 3 development floors, a reception area and a server room in the basement. So Conor's just going to take us over there. That's, as I mentioned previously, Sean and Christopher in front. So we'll just walk into the reception area just now. On the TV screen there, that was the first prototype video that we used for the presentation on the TV screen there. Conor's just walking behind the reception desk here too. And as you can see there in the TV monitor, there's a CCTV camera being set up, which you can see the other 2 students walking around on the monitor there. And then I think Conor's going to move down to the server room after we've been here in the reception area. You've got 2 more vending machines there. Down into the server room. Conor just closed the door there. Another vending machine. Just use that. See some cans dropped out there. So you've obviously got some monitors here and then the server stacks for the entire company, all running from the basement. All looking good. And Conor's just going to go through the security door here. Interact with the door. Close the door. And then up to the first floor, which is the Unity development floor, which is Conor's floor. As his subject for his honours project is Unity development. Just use the vending machine there. So these logos, when you click on the logos with the mouse, it'll redirect you to the Unity website. As you can see, Conor clicked on the logo with the mouse, and it'll redirect you to the browser. So as you can see, it's a very well designed room. It's a meeting room there. And then Conor's going over to the monitor here. So when he clicks on the monitor screen, it'll open up a code script in Visual Studio, which you can edit. See, he's just typing some stuff in there just to test that it's working. Yep, that was all working fine. So we're leaving the first floor and then heading up to the second floor, which is the Ionic development floor, which is a floor that specialises in developing hybrid applications. So you walk up to the Ionic logo, click on that using the mouse, and it'll direct you to the Ionic framework website. Ionic is what Sean's using as part of his honours project. He's using Ionic to create an e-commerce app for a hypothetical Asian food company, which is the Dumfries and Galloway Asian Food Company shop across the way there. As you can see, you've got two big TV screens there showing tutorial videos of how to use Ionic to create hybrid applications. Some pretty big screens there, and that's Sean just in front of us. So Conor's going to go up to the Ionic logo again, just to click on that. Similar to what was happening outside, it just directs you to the Ionic website. Another well-designed room. And another vending machine. Some cans out of there just to test the functionality. Get a better view of the TV screens there. Certainly a good size. And then Conor's just going to go over to one of my monitors to open up an HTML file script. And you've got a meeting room over there, as you can see, a separate meeting room for the executives and the managers. And as you walk over to the monitor, you click on that with the mouse, and it'll open up an HTML file within brackets. It's actually one of the HTML files that Sean's using as part of his application development for his honours project. You get a good view of the room there. So we'll leave the Ionic floor, and then we're going to head up to Chris's Android Studio development floor. There's Chris there. Just waiting to go in. And we're going to go into Chris's room. Yet again, another very well designed room. Good office space. So I'm going to head over to the logo, the Android Studio logo. If Conor clicks on that, it will direct you to the Android Studio website where you can download Android Studio and do some Java development. And again, Chris is using Android Studio to develop an application as part of his honours project. So we've obviously got a reception desk there. A meeting room, which has a video playing on one of the TV screens there too, which is a demonstration video of the application that Chris is working on as part of his honours project. We'll just walk out of that meeting room. And you've got another separate room over here as well. It looks like the manager's office. And out here and over to the monitors. Conor's going to walk over to the monitor and launch a couple of code scripts from Chris's monitor. loading up a JavaScript. Customer name.java. Should be one of the scripts that Chris is working on for his honours application. And we've got another monitor over there. This time launching Visual Studio. And it's a Unity file, a C# script by the looks of it. Yep, so that's the Android Studio development floor. So 3 different types of development floors. Got Unity, Ionic, and Android Studio. Conor's just used the vending machine there. You've got some cans on the floor there. So there we go. There's Chris and Sean again. We're just going to head up to the roof, finish the virtual tour on the roof, give you a good look at the logo that was designed by Sean, the TLM logo. TLM stands for The Last Musketeers, in relevance to us being the last 3 students from the original group who started studying at Dumfries College 5 years ago. Thanks for watching the presentation. Thank you.